Hello everyone, this is Sean Zernick with Internetwork Consulting. I'm going to be covering a series of common computer problems that are generally signs that your computer is in trouble. Let's start off with the first one, clicking sounds. When your hard drive light on your tower is flashing and you occasionally hear a clicking sound, and when I say clicking sound, I'm not referring to just the occasional click. It is a metallic device that's doing work, but when you hear louder clicking and popping sounds that are usually followed by seconds of silence and then repeating itself, that can very easily be an indication that your hard drive is resetting itself. If a drive is resetting itself frequently, that means it's about to fail. It's time to do a backup of your data and replace the drive. Replacing the drive can be more complicated than literally just swapping it out and popping a new one in there. If it is your system drive, you're probably going to be looking at reloading the computer. If you take care of the problem sooner rather than later, in a lot of instances we can just image from one disk to another, so that way you don't have to go through the inconvenience of reloading a computer. It just comes back to you and it's running faster. If you wait and your drive does fail, it becomes very hard to recover the data. Taking the drive to data recovery can cost anywhere from $800 to $1,200, and that will take about 6 weeks to get your drive back. Resolve the problem before it gets too late. Do a backup of your data. Doing a backup of your data is not a complicated task. And then at that point, seek professional advice if you can't fix the problem yourself. Again, this is going to be one out of a series of signs your computer are in trouble. Thank you.